especially in classics, and it's beauty. 1947 Ford Super Deluxe Convertible. Burgundy in color, riding on these wide whites. What a rich looking car. Wheel covers and beauty rings. Underneath the hood, Era Correct 59 AB flathead V8. Be a 239 cubic inch engine. It's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the bright work and grille, chrome. Wow, just a stunning front end. When we pop the hood, you're going to see a Edelbrock dual carb intake setup on this car. Also want to let you know it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the still pictures. Take your time. Undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, 507-386-1726. I believe it was this year, Ford, same style, that was made popular in a movie. Only it was yellow. Down in the comments, anybody know what movie I'm talking about? Would have been probably back in, what, the 80s or 90s? Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. So we take a look at the rear chrome. Dual exhaust. Now, some of the things that are going to come with it, so I want to point out some of these things. There is the convertible top and window seals. They're in a box. There's some miscellaneous gaskets. There's also a car cover and a heater if you'd ever want to hook one up in the future. That will be included in it. There's a box of receipts. Very detailed wiring diagram too, which will come in handy because this does have a 12-volt system on it now. Power top with that 12-volt system, so it's electric, not vacuum, anything like that. Power top functions as it should. And once again, take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Also remember, if you can't make it to see this vehicle yourself, we'd like to have a third-party inspector take a look at it. Open door policy for those guys. If you want to come take a look, feel free to report back to you. So we take a look at the interior. So carrying through kind of that burgundy, it's a rich wine color. It is beautiful color in this car. And kind of your two-tone seats with the gray, and similar to a corduroy. I don't know if I'd really call it corduroy, but a little texture to that fabric. And then the vinyl. It's a nice color combination. And take a look at the dash. A lot of chrome. Looks good there also. Horn works. That's a loud one. All right, now as far as starting, of course, I'm going to flip this lever up right there. If you can see that, that starts an electric fuel pump. We're going to let it run just a tad. And then over here, we have the starter button. You can see that. So let's go ahead and push the clutch in and push that starter button. Starts right up. Oil pressure coming up. The fuel gauge came up. Amp meter. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Good throttle response to that dual carb setup. It's kind of a cool, older Edelbrock intake, so. Door closes nicely. Let you hear it run here, then we're going to slip up to the front. So I did mention power top. It's a, I would say, saddle color fabric. And we're going to run that up at the end. Take a look at that, but first, let's check out this engine bay. Hood popped open for us here. There it is. That 59 AB flathead, Era Correct, 239. There's that Edelbrock dual carb setup. You can see a little better in the still picture. It's kind of tough for me to get the camera there and everything. But still pictures, you'll be able to see it. Chrome plated alternator. Sounds good, looks good. And again, error correct. All right, let's pause it one more time. Let's get that top up. We'll wrap this video up. And let's take a look with the top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. So kind of saddle colored fabric. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, or holes. Nice clear plastic in the back. Good looking color combination with the maroon body and the saddle colored convertible top. There you go. All the way around it. Again, good, nice, tight fit in the front. No surprises on the convertible top. 1947 Ford Super Deluxe convertible. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us, 507-386-1726. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1947 Ford Super Deluxe. This is a convertible. We've got 3 on the tree manual transmission. Very nice burgundy color. Very easy to shift. Our amps are showing that they're charging. Temperature is at 1/4 of the gauge. Oil pressure around 75. Fuel is showing half on the factory gauge. She stays straight. For the speedometer, we're doing about 50 miles an hour. That seems to be where she wants to be, happy. Really pretty, nice condition. There is some play in the steering. Ride's pretty nice. Brakes are working good. Let's go around the corner here once the traffic's out of the way. Still in second gear right now. Take a look at all the pictures.